in Microsoft 365 Copilot series. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can create your own agent even though you are using free version of Microsoft 365 Copilot. So before I discuss how you can create, let's understand what is agent. My friend, agent is a tool or a person which is helping other person or a tool or system to improve their productivity. For example, you can see all those agents in the market like insurance agent or bank agent. What they are doing, they are helping their customer to complete their process faster. Similarly, if you will create an agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot, it will help you to improve your productivity, to do the research, or to have an assistant on day-to-day basis. So without any further delay, let's start and build this agent step by step. My friend, this is Sandeep Mishra, Microsoft MVP, and welcome to my channel. So here you can see all agents, and it will take you on a page where you can see all your created agents and also templates available by Microsoft which you can create agents. And the next option you can see here, that is create agent. So once you will click on create agent, it will take you on a page from where you can create a new agent. So you can see the first option, describe, and that is where you can see all those templates available by Microsoft which you can use to create new agent. If you want to see all those templates, you can click on view all those templates and you will see all other templates as well. If you will select a template, you will able to see preview. So I selected Scrum Assistant, and that is what you can see in right side, preview of this template. And if I will change this template, and I'm going to select the one that is career coach, and you can see now we can see the preview of career coach in right side. So you can see the name, you can see description and all those prompts. In case you decided that no Sandeep, I want to create an agent using a prompt, so you can write a prompt like create a STW bot agent which is helping customer to set up WhatsApp business API and WhatsApp marketing, and let's enter, and it will take few seconds and then you will able to see a newly created agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot. So first you will able to see the preview, so just wait for few seconds, and now you can see STW bot. STW bot helps customer to set up WhatsApp business API and provides expert guidance on WhatsApp marketing strategies. And these pre-built prompts we can see related to STW bot. In case you want to change anything in this agent, you will give the change request using a prompt. So for example, change name to WhatsApp bot, enter, and easily you can see name is updated here. So that's the power, my friend. You can create using template, you can also update using template. So you will just give all those change requests here and it will update your agent. Then you can see after describe we have configure, and that is where you can see everything related to WhatsApp bot. So the very first thing you can see, that is name. It means that once you will update name here, that is what you can see updated in right side. So let me update the name, Skybot, For example, once I will enter, you can see name updated. Then we have description, that is what you can see after name. So once you will update description, you will see updated description in preview. And then the most important thing for this agent is instruction. So the way you want your agent should behave, based on that you will create an instruction that what you will do, what you will not do. And you can see this instruction is created by generative AI. So you can see we have purpose. So you are an expert STW agent designed to help customer to set up WhatsApp business API and provides guidance on WhatsApp marketing. And then we have goals. So what are the goals for this agent? And then we have overall direction, how this agent will behave. So you can see in goals we have guide user through the purpose of setting up WhatsApp business API, including prerequisite and registration and configure pages. So all those things, if you think that anything you want to change or add or remove, so you can easily, you are free to change here. So based on that your agent will behave. And then the next section you can see, that is knowledge. So here you will add knowledge to your agent. So here you can see we have SharePoint, Microsoft Teams, and then we have Outlook, then we have public website. I just want to make one thing clear here, that if you are using Microsoft 365 Copilot free version, you will not able to see these options related to your organization. So you will not able to see SharePoint, Teams, Outlook, and you will also not able to see upload file. And as I'm using paid version, and that's why I can see. So let me go to the STW board site and copy the URL from there. I will come here and I will just paste and enter, and then I will able to add this STW website. And now you can see options like search all website, you can enable or disable. If you want to search throughout the website only, use specific sources, so you will turn on and reference like people. So let me give the URL once again and enter. So you can see it, this is here because I disabled and enabled, so it gone. In case you have file and you want to upload, like I got many questions that can we upload a file from Google. So let's see that if I am going to Google Drive and adding a file, will I able to upload that file as a knowledge source in Copilot Studio or not. So I am going to upload a file in Google Drive and I will make it available for everyone, and then I will use that link to connect to add knowledge base in Microsoft 365 Copilot. So let me give the share option. So now this file is available, click on share. So copy link, and before I will make sure that it's available for everyone. So yeah, it's available for anyone. Copy link. I will go back to Copilot, paste URL here and enter, and you can see I will not able to add Google link like Google Drive document here in Copilot as a knowledge source. So let me try one more time. Yes, it is not working. So you will not able to upload Google Drive file as a knowledge source for Microsoft 365 Copilot. But also what we can do is you can directly upload from here. So or you can upload from SharePoint or OneDrive. So now I will go and upload directly. So let's click on upload. So now I will select the file and upload, and you can see this file is available. So I have a website and one document as a knowledge base. Then the next option we have, that is capability, create document, chart and code. So do you want that your agent should be able to create documents or code or charts? If yes, then you will enable it. And why it is important? Because based on this setting, it will use the appropriate generative AI model. Then we have create image. So these images to add or enhance capability of your agent. And then suggested prompt. So all those prompts you can see here, and that is what you can see in preview section. So these are the prompts available. If any extra prompt you want to add, you will just click on add a suggested prompt. You will add the title, and then you will add prompt. So what is pricing model for STW bot WhatsApp business API? So you can see this extra prompt is available, which I added just now. So now everything is ready. So now what we can do is, let's change icon. So you will just click on this pen, and then you will select a image. So let me select a logo. Let me find a suitable logo for this. So let me upload my company logo here, and now you can see logo is uploaded and updated here. And now let's go and create this agent. So I will click on create. It will take again few seconds, and then this agent will be ready. So let's wait. So now go to agent. You can see that option. You will click on go to agent, and you will able to see this agent in left side. So let's click on this link, and you can see Sky bot is available in left side, and that is what you can see here on the page. So we also have share option. So in case you want to share this agent anyone in your organization, specific user in your organization, means that you want to share with a particular department or a particular group. In that case, you will select, you will have a drop down option, and all those groups available in your organization. That is what you can see here. So you can see all those groups are available, and you can select any of those. And in case you just want this is for you only, in that case you can select the third option. So these are the options available for sharing. And then we have edit option, we have uninstall option. You can click on edit. It will take you on a same page from where you can edit this agent. So let me make some changes here. Search all website and then update the agent. So it's updating. Go to agent once again, and then I will use this guided prompt. And now let's test it. So I will use this prompt and enter, and you can see, my friend, it's giving us response back. So the new board is working. So this is how easily you can create your own agent and use that agent in your organization or for your personal usage. So you can create any kind of assistant, you can create any kind of coach which can help you or guide you to improve your work process. So I hope, my friend, you got an idea that how you can create agent in Microsoft 365 even though you are using free version. In next video we are going to discuss that how you can use this Microsoft 365 Copilot in Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams to boost your productivity. So stay tuned. See you next video.